Hello, so if you're watching this video you would have mastered the white daisy now. So our next step is to get to here where you have a white cross. So it's the same as this except this middle colour is white. So the way that you do it is you look at the edge that you've got in the front. So this is white and orange. So then we concentrate on this orange colour and turn the bottom two layers until we arrive at the orange centre. And once we've done that, we turn the front side twice, so it's down there. And then we can pick any one of these remaining three. Let's say this one, so it's white and green. So we'll turn the bottom two layers until it lines up with the green centre. Then we'll turn the front side twice and we've got it down. Alright, now we've got this blue one, white and blue. So we'll turn the bottom two layers and it's lined up. So turn the front side twice and then that's down there. And then our last one, red, put it down, and then you've got your white cross.